Welcome to Gelous Nail Art Tutorials. Today I'm going to show you how to create a jelly nail art look with a chrome overlay. Let's get into it. Using the curved side of the Gelous nail file, gently push back your cuticles. Using the fine side of the nail file your nails to the desired shape. Using the fine side of the nail file, gently buff the entire surface of your nail. Pay attention to the sides of the nail and make sure the whole nail appears dull from the buffing. Brush away the buffing dust with the Gelous dust brush. Apply nail polish remover to a lint-free wipe and thoroughly clean your nails. Apply a thin coat of nail primer and leave to air dry. Apply a thin coat of base coat and cap the free edge. Cure for 60 seconds. Apply a thin coat of clear builder gel and cap the free edge. This is called a slip layer. You don't want to cure this step. Apply a small bead of builder gel and push it towards the cuticle area, ensuring it does not touch the skin. Gently move the builder gel from left to right, working up the nail, then cap the free edge. Using your thin nail art brush, pull some builder gel up the nail as this will help even out the application. Alternatively, you can do 1 to 2 thin coats curing after each coat. Cure for 60 seconds. If your builder gel has bulked the free edge, gently file your nails back to shape. Apply nail polish remover to a lint-free wipe and thoroughly clean your nails. Apply 2 thin coats of Fuchsia Jelly, curing after each coat. Using your nail polish remover pen, remove any polish off your skin before curing. Cure for 60 seconds. Apply a thin coat of top coat and cap the free edge. Cure for 60 seconds. Wipe your nail with a lint-free wipe moistened with nail polish remover. Rub pink lemonade Aurora chrome powder in circular motions onto your nail using the chrome powder application sponge. Brush away any excess chrome powder. Apply a thin coat of top coat and cap the free edge. Cure for 60 seconds. Apply nail polish remover to a lint-free wipe and thoroughly clean your nails. Apply Gelous Cuticle Oil around your nails and rub into your skin to nourish and moisturize. Thanks for watching.